Yeah, welcome to Chester Hill, folks. Come through this town. They're parked every which way on the street, that's for sure. But we will say hello on your family.
Check on a buddy.
When you get back out there, keep it rubber side down, folks. Before we take you out, watch for a minute here. Now we're doing this right turn here on 555 like it's supposed to be in this town of Chesterville. This is where a lot of people miss the Triple Nickel Diner. Because 555 goes straight. And if you look up here on the left, there's a sign.
Watch the gravel.
And watch the gravel. Yeah, this is a gravel haven down through here. But come down here, and this is the Triple Nickel Diner, which we're going to try and
Flip a Yui.
down here. Yep. Our slow speed maneuver. Nope, not going to happen.
Don't go too far. There's a big divot.
Yeah, I don't want to go in that hole, but I don't want to go too far anyways. Let's go there.
Mr. and Mrs. McStache on their bike, roaring through the night with all their might. From town to town they spread the light, helping vets to stand up and fight. Roadside attractions call their name. Every twist and turn never quite the same. With my wife we chase the fame. In the meandering life they can't tame. Ride forever, never look back. Winding roads in a season heart attack. Camping under stars with a sense of pride. We're kings and queens of the endless ride. Two hearts that beat in unison, fueled by a mission that's never done. From sea to shining sea they run, beneath the vast and open sun. Every mile's a memory in this life so wild and free. With every wave and every smile, they raise hope mile by mile. Ride forever, never look back. Winding roads and a season heart attack. Camping under stars with a sense of pride. We're kings and queens of the endless ride. Ride